Good day, wonderful traders. I welcome you in this beautiful video. I welcome you. So I'm just going to be sharing with you on how to analyze this market correctly, how to be best when it comes to analyzing, because sometimes it doesn't help of me teaching you just a theory like that, but I need also to show you how I analyze. So this is what I'm going to be demonstrating in the video, just how I analyze, how I look at the markets for accurate entries, because that's what we are looking for. So without any waste of time, guys, just give me that like, give me that comment, and let's get started. So I'm just going to let me start with the big guy here. So we all know, those who are following up, at this current state, we've been selling this market for the past 2 to 3 days. Yeah, for the past 2 to 3 days, we've been selling the markets. Okay, it happens that I decided to close my trades because of something that I'm also going to share with you currently, because of something that I'm going to be sharing with you. So here there is something interesting. Firstly, looking at the indicator, let us zoom. Looking at our indicator on the 30 minutes, it is still showing us that we are moving on our downside. But I explained that a lot of people, they have 3 lines. For an example here, the 80, and then the 50, and then the 20. So usually when price approaches the 50 level, that's where we close our trades. That's where we look the market in a different picture. So now the indicator has been close to this level. The indicator has been close to this level. So if now it is close to this level, that's why now we begin to see something strange in the market. Let me just show you. I know it is not just that visible. So looking clearly here, when it comes to strength, remember, we are super fans of momentum. When it comes to momentum, we have a good push down and a push up, and then another a shocking push down, which wasn't able to breach down below this market here, which also raised questions in my mind. However, the buyers managed to come in and the sellers pushed down again, and here is another question as well. However, why am I saying it's a question? It is, remember, look back at these corrective waves here. We have not detailed correctives, just a series of candles moving up, series of candles moving up, series of candles moving up, and then boom, we have now clear waves. We have now clear waves of the market correcting. So this is something which is strange to me. However, I haven't yet shifted my eyes from selling opportunities, because remember, these are trending markets. So if I see a beginning of a trend, so I try by all means to stay on it. I try by all means to find opportunities in it. So now here is what we are going to do. As this market is correcting, you should be looking for one thing. Firstly, it is the main upward pattern which we are looking at, and then a break of this pattern on the downside. But if the pattern is broken on the downside, it can happen that when price goes down, it doesn't beat this low here. Price might bounce back again. But also it will be determined by when this corrective will end. If the corrective ends now, it's better. But if the corrective pushes up and ends somewhere here, it's a sign that the buyers are coming in, because now that's where we are going to be having patterns like head and shoulders. That's where those patterns are formed, when we have things like this, when the market now ends or forms a neckline somehow. So this is what is going to happen. Push down, this is a shoulder, push up, and then this is the head, and then if it pushes and bounces there, that means this is now a neckline. So it might push down and then push up again. So those are things that we're expecting. So I hope that one just opened your mind a bit. So it's just playing around with the options available in the market. That's analyzing. Analyzing is not choosing a side that I see a downtrend, I just only want to sell. No, see a downtrend and say I want to sell, but what if there is also a buying opportunity? That one will open your mind to just see everything that you want to see in the market. So let us check another one just to enlighten you a bit. So here is another one here. It's an amazing one. Remember our buys there. Remember our buys here. We bought it and then the market pushed up. So a lot can ask themselves that, okay, how can you buy when price is just around a high? A lot can ask themselves, because here is our high, ne? And then here is our buys. How can you buy when price is around the high, yet you always preach that we should buy at a lowest point? Okay, it's simply because of the perspective, ne? Let us zoom down a bit. So if we zoom down a bit now, you see that your mind changes, ne? You see that your mind changes. So based on the indicator or on the strategy, okay, it's good buying signals coming in, ne? So then looking as well in a bigger time frame, you can see that there was a clear breakout, not just the breakout, but remember what I taught about breakouts, what actually makes a significant breakout, or what actually determine a true breakout. It is also the reaction of price before that breakout. For an example, looking at here, this is some kind of a motivation. This push up here, this corrective, it is a much bigger corrective compared to this one and that one. So it seems like the buyers were very, very strong and happy. So if the buyers are strong and happy, I love them. And then we have these lows here. The lows, the price failed to form a new low, and it added to this long corrective that, okay, if it can't push down, it means that it's over. It's game over with the sellers. And then I connected all those dots, and then yeah, I took this breakout. I took this breakout here, and then price moved up. I think I closed one position because I saw that also price was slowing down. So now I'm just leaving this position to see what will happen. You see where my stop loss is. I'm just waiting for price to smash it, or if it doesn't smash it, it goes up as it is trying to do. Because remember, it's an issue of a transition. Whenever we are going to shift from sellers to buyers, let us see that transition taking place. So it's a transition taking place. No need to panic. Just relax. No need to panic. And moreover, the beautiful thing is that even the moving averages are confirming, because you have seen they have crossed here, confirming that it might happen that now price will be going up. So no need to panic, to change position. No, just relax, focus on the price, let the price tell you what it is doing. So let's check another one just to help you understand more deeper. So we have this one now. We have step index. Same thing applies. All indicators are meeting down in the valley. They are meeting down in the valley. That's a beautiful thing. And now here is an amazing price reaction here. After a very, very long fall, we have price entering in a transition mode. So if price is entering in a transition mode, I want to show you something. You can see that we have a lower low, and then we have a higher low, ne? And then we have this high here, which is almost the same as that point. This tells us something here, that okay, the buyers, they have some sort of power, they have some sort of courage. So the reason we cannot take a side of saying we are sellers, although we can see market is moving down, but there is a shift in market strength. There is a shift in market strength. Market was aggressive, but now it's entering like in a range. So that's why remember the video of market cyclists. That's why the structure might be formed again, pushing up, and then if you send transition again, we question the market, and it might be a formation of a downward structure. So here, what we are basically waiting for, let me give the thing. What we're basically waiting for, guys, we are waiting for one thing. We're waiting for price to react, to go up before or not below this low, ne? We're waiting for price to go up, not below this low. If price goes up, not below this low, then we can what is this now? And then we can observe this flow here and wait for the flow to be broken, ne? Because remember, the guy has confirmed everything when we have zoomed out like this. So we will be waiting for a flow break. But if you are fearful, you can wait for the entire range to be broken. So something like this, and then you are ready to go here after you've analyzed that even the breakout is a trustworthy breakout, just using all the knowledge that I've tried to teach in this channel. So This is how, guys, I actually observe the market. I don't pick sides. I don't pick sides. I allow the market to just pick sides for me. I allow the market to just play out and I follow. So that's a best way of making something out of the market. So I hope this one was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching.